This video, okay, the video's rolling.
Yes.
Hello, my friends, SBS Russia again. Today we're going to look at the 40 caliber Glock Model 23. Like the number 23 with Jim Carrey, but not so evil. You know what I mean?
See,
so the Glock Model 23. Okay, it's at got a 12, 13 round magazine. Okay, weapon is clear. You see the weapon is clear. Let me show my colleagues out there, my Ukrainian and Russian friends. Okay, the pistol is very good, very good. We do torture tests, you know. We drown it in vodka. We drink many shots with it, vodka, and we put it to our face. Bang! No thing happens. So obviously a good gun. You know what I mean? So the gun, obviously, even though Austrians are a bunch of pussies. You know what I mean? I'm saying, you know, because Russians, we are very strong men. Look at my mustache right here. Mustache very big. Unibrow, very big Russians, okay? I'm telling you, very Austrians. Arnold Schwarzenegger, he's beach, big beach. Arnold Schwarzenegger, he ran California. I live California many years. California, piece of shit because of Arnold Schwarzenegger, he's an Austrian. Glock, also Austrian, big piece of shit. Let me tell you, friends, one time, okay, so we take the Glock, we shoot it. Guess what? It jam every time. Piece of shit. Do not buy Glock. Piece of shit. Buy the Makarov 22 caliber 22 Makarov Russian. Only good gun ever. High Point also very shit gun. Only shit gun that's ever good in America. So Bursa also Bursa 380. Look kind of like a Walther at the same time. Bursa, but at the same time it also looked like a Sig Sauer, the 380 caliber. But at the same time, you know, it's also a piece of shit. So, Makarov 22, only gun you ever want to buy. Russia, not communist. Rape, also good subject to talk about. Whenever being raped, you want to carry Makarov 22. 22 Makarov, only good gun ever carried for rape. You may carry American Kimber 45 caliber. You get raped, you shoot it jam every time when you're being raped. Doesn't matter, because American piece of shit always jam when being raped. Only in Russia, you only carry Makarov 22. And then when you're being raped, I'm gonna give demonstration one time. Please introduce Matthew. He is very good Russian, friend of mine, good Russian.
Very good, very good.
Pretend this Austrian piece of shit is a Makarov 22. He's going to pretend to rape. Pretend to rape. This Makarov 22. Bang!
Oh, jam! Oh, jam!
No. Makarov always kill. Bang! He dead.
Bang! Ow! Oh!
Makarov kill every time. Every time. Always kill.